Welcome to Garden Wise Adventures. My name is Malie, and today I decided I'd do a quick tour of my grow room. Now, I kept saying that I will show you my grow room, and I've looked back through my videos and I'm having a hard time finding any that I've really done a really good update in the recent past. So I decided that today would be a good day to do that. It's just going to be a quick video. I'm going to show you what I'm growing, give you a little bit of an overview of my systems, how I use them, and just kind of give you an update. So let's show you what everything looks like right now. So this is a view of my grow room from the door. I actually had to turn off the lights so that you wouldn't get the striped effect in the video. But I moved into this room about a year ago. It used to be my son's bedroom. He grew up and moved out, and the day he moved out, I moved in. I was really excited to find a place to put my plants. And this is, it's a bedroom, so it's got a door that can exclude cute kitties. So as we open the door, we see one of the main reasons for kitty exclusions. This is Calcifer. He's very cute, he's very curious, and he loves to eat plants. So this is why we have to close the door. Sorry, baby, you can't come in. But he is very cute. His brother Gigi's a little less curious about things. But anyway, what I've done is I purchased wire racks. I got these off Amazon. And on this side, what I have is the Walmart Honeywell Lights that are 5000 K, 5000 lumen. And they've done really well. Now I have them turned off, as I said, because they do weird things with the video. And I have just various things that I'm growing here. I have my houseplants, and the last video I released showed me dividing these out of a basket. They were all together. They seem to be doing quite well where they are, and I'm getting a lot of new growth on them. This is where I do my overhead videos. And I have an arrow garden video that I put up a little while ago. As you can see, the tomatoes are doing really well, and so is the purple basil. Right here I have my Roselle plant. Now I did a really quick video on that, and I will link that up above. There was today's flower. They close very quickly. And we have some calyxes that are getting ready to harvest. I've harvested quite a few off of this indoors. And down here we have one that we're saving for seeds. Now one of the next videos I'm going to make is harvesting the ginger. It is definitely done. So I planted this last March, and from what I've read, it's ready to harvest after 10 months, and this is about 10 months after I planted it. And it's not looking great, so I'm going to harvest that. We'll do a video on it. Over here we have my citrus trees. This is a Meyer lemon with a lemon just about ready to harvest. It's still a little green, so we'll wait a little bit longer. Got some new growth on this, and it's doing quite well. We've actually got a flower. We've actually got a flower bed that's about ready to bloom. My avocado is finally putting on some new growth. This is January. And I'm really excited about the new growth on this. I pinched all the ends of the branches just so that I could see if I could force some new growth and more branching on it, because the growth is a little sparse on it. Now this is my Owari Satsuma Mandarin. It's got a little bit of chlorosis. I've been working on that. But all of this right here is new growth in the last few weeks. So it's going a little bit slower, and it hasn't bloomed like the Meyer lemon has. But it's growing, and it seems to be healthy. These will go outside in the summer. Right now I'm using the Sanse lights, and they seem to really do well for it. Now down here is going to be a subject of another video. In the tree pots here, I actually planted some of my pawpaw seeds. Now I will go over what I did, how I planted them, and what needs to be done to grow them on once they sprout, and that's going to be probably February or March. They take a long time to sprout. This side here is my seedling growing rack, and I have grow lights that I found on Amazon, and they seem to also do really well. This right here is the replacement for my lettuce experiment. We've got some extra tomatoes. These are the Golden Harvest from Arrow Garden. And we've got some spinach that I'm probably just going to get rid of. It's never really done well, so I think I'm probably just going to get rid of it. Right here we have my self-watering trays. They are getting ready for the seedlings that I'm going to start in February. I will go over that in another video. I have certain things that I would like to put out in the garden in March, and I'll start those in February. Got some more seed trays ready to go. These are my seedling trays. We have my tomatoes for my tomato growing experiment. Now these are micro dwarf tomatoes. They're not full size. They only get anywhere between 10 to maybe 12 inches tall. We've got a flower bud on one of them that's getting ready to open. Now these are my greens growing experiment. Some of them are growing in Miracle-Gro potting soil and some in homemade compost. So thank you for joining with me on this grow room tour. It was just a little bit short, but I wanted to give you an update on what is going on. And I have a lot of great things planned for the future. Now I definitely want to start some turmeric when I start my new ginger in March sometime. I've got new citrus trees coming, and maybe I'll feel a little bit more comfortable about doing a citrus growing video. I haven't really known if I've been doing okay with growing citrus, but I'm seeing new growth and they haven't died yet. So maybe I'll tell you a little bit about what I've done. But anyway, I really am grateful for you being here. I hope you enjoy my videos. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe and go have a wonderful garden adventure.